Yes, student. Next addition reaction is addition of sodium bisulphide. What is sodium bisulphide? It is NaHSO3. Okay. Where Na act as what? Positive species, and HCO3 act as negative species. So in the aldehyde ketone, like here, any of the carbonyl compound plus we are reacting what? NaHSO3 will form here Na positive charge and SO3H negative charge. Again there is what? Fraction negative, positive and fraction negative, which will after the reaction become complete positive and complete negative. So very simple here. In negative part the positive will attack here, and the positive part the negative part will attack here. So the forming compound what? The compound form will be here, will be what? O, and negative to positive come what? Na, and there will be SO3H. Getting? Now, but you know that the affinity of O is more for what? Hydrogen. Therefore what? Hydrogen shifting takes place here. Hydrogen shifting takes place here, and now the H attack on O while Na attack on this one, forming the main compound C. Now that it become what? OH, and here it will be SO3Na. I think this compound is called bisulphide addition product. Bisulphide addition product. Getting? This reaction is given by aldehyde as well as ketone. Therefore, need not to write reaction again and again. Actually, student, what you have to do? You have to write only here R and H will become aldehyde, CH3 and H will become acetaldehyde, H and H will become formaldehyde. Getting? And so on. Similarly, if there is R and R, then will become ketone. If there is CH3 and CH3, then will become propanone, will become butanone, will become propanone, that is pentanone, etc. So you can write what? Large number of reaction for it. Okay. Therefore, you do consider like what? Write homework, means describe all type of reactions of aldehydes and ketone. Next one is addition of alcohols. Getting? Alcohols, ROH. Again here, RO minus charge, this is what? Plus charge. Getting? 2 carbonyl compound. Getting? So simply C double bond O plus RO and what? H. So RO will generate what? Alkoxide ion, and the H will generate it will generate positive charge. Again here there will be plus and there will be what? Minus. So positive hydrogen will attack here and RO anion will attack here, forming a compound what? CO, and this is H, and there is what? OR. This compound is called hemiacetal. Hemi means half. Hemiacetal. Student, this reaction takes place in the presence of dilute HCl. Getting? Again, there is chances of reaction. What? If again the same compound is reacting here, RO and H, in the presence of dilute HCl, then one more reaction is possible. How one more reaction is possible? Here, OH and H. Getting? It is getting removed, forming COR, and already there is what? R. This compound is called acetal. This compound is called acetal. So student, this reaction is very easily given by aldehyde. Like here, I can write for aldehyde, say any of the aldehyde, say CH3, C double bond OH plus, look at, I am writing CH3OH. Then in the presence of HCl will become CH3C, this is H, this is what? O and H, and there will be OCH3. Getting? And again further the reaction takes place with the same compound what? methanol CH3OH in the presence of HCl, then there will be CH3C, this is what H, there is what that is OCH3, and it is again OCH3. This is called a dimethoxy. Okay, the compound become dimethoxy. Okay, why it is dimethoxy? CH3O is called methoxy. So how many CH3O is there? 2. Therefore this is what? Dimethoxy. And 1 and 1 2 carbon. Therefore that become what? Ethane. Okay, this compound is called acetal. Simply the compound is called acetal. Student, attack of 2OR, that is what? 2OR is feasible in case of there is aldehyde, because it is what? Hydrogen. It is simply hydrogen. So the attack is feasible and can easily take place. But in the case of ketone, in the case of ketone does not easily be used. Ketone do not reacts with monohydroxy alcohol. But reacts with dihydroxy alcohol. Like what? Dihydroxy alcohol, that is what? Ethylene glycol. Getting? Now how the reaction will take place? So CH3C double bond O, and this is what? CH3 plus. Now dihydroxy alcohol means HO, getting? And this is CH2, and this is CH2. This is called ethylene glycol. Getting? And on reaction it will form now CH3. This one, this is again CH3, and this is what? C. Getting? Now minus what? H2O. So minus H2O. So it will become here O. Getting? This one O and CH2. Getting? And again it will become O and CH2. So this compound is called ketal. This is called what? Ketal. So if alcohol is react with aldehyde, it form acetal. Okay. While if the ketone is reacting, it form ketal. Getting? Yes.